Hello, welcome to Planet Papas. Today we're at Silver Beach. Let's go!
Welcome to Crystal Bay, Silver Beach. Okay, now we're at Crystal Bay. We're gonna say hello to Sunny, running everything. Hello, Sunny. Good to see the staff here. Crystal Bay is always amazing staff. We're gonna come back in a few months to do all of the hotel itself. We're gonna show you the beautiful beach of Crystal Bay on February 8, 2004. And it is a busy day here at Crystal Bay, Silver Beach. And if you're after a great massage on the beach side, Sadikav is right here with the best view you can get. Amazing. Go down the stairs and enjoy the beach. And now we're at the Crystal Bay Bar, which is outside and overlooking the beach side, of course. So we're gonna keep walking. So we're gonna start at the end of the beach, or the beginning of the beach of Crystal Bay, Silver Beach, where the massage is. Going for 10 months. Now we're in front of Silver Beach Resort, where you can get your coffees, your teas, your fresh coconuts, and drink them right on the beach and just enjoy the day. There's only a couple of places where you can have sunbeds there, and they rent them for around 200 baht per couple. And you add your drinks on top of that. We're going to go through Silver Beach as well. So there's only really a couple of sunbeds, but they do have lounge chairs right on the beach. And happy hour between 3 and 6. This area is completely covered, so if it does rain, you can still enjoy your drinks, have some good food. Been here many times. The food is always good. Always get a good stir-fry rice with an egg on top. That's the go-to. Always get the fried egg on top. They do have a book exchange. And while you're reading your book, you can get some nice ice cream. Ice cream! And right beside here is the resort, where they have their own private pool and accommodations. But it's too busy. We're gonna just head back on to the beach part. And a great place to swing, right on the beach. first coming here in 2008, this was one of the first beaches that we loved and fell in love with when we came to Samui. And every year, we definitely got to come back all the time. And now that it's peak season, it's pretty crazy. So we spend some time in Chiang Mai, but I definitely recommend coming here. Even if you are staying in anywhere in Samui, that you come here for the day, just to enjoy this beautiful cove and wonderful beach area. Let's see if we can find the biggest dork on the beach. Let's see if we can find the biggest somebody but nobody. Oh, there he is. It's Will. Hello, Will. Welcome to Thailand.
Thank you.
How long have you been coming here for?
I've been here like a little over 2 weeks now. It's
Nice.
very nice. You gotta come here.
Oh, you got a friend?
Oh, hey, buddy.
Will is my nephew, and he'll be heading to Australia tomorrow. He'll be going to university and studying how to drink coconuts. Some great choices for restaurants. Lots of massages on the beach. Now we're coming up to the yacht club. Stayed here many times. This place is excellent. If you're looking for right on the beach villas, I think they're going for around 120, 140 euros at the moment. I'll have a look at that and I'll put the price in now. And you hear the ocean every day. And it's just a beautiful view you get when you wake up and have your breakfast. As you notice, there's lots of trees on the beach, so get some great shade during the day. So you don't need your umbrellas. You just got to deal with the sand with the towel. No sunbeds. See, this guy has the right idea. He's thinking of nothing. Maybe pad thai tonight. Gonna walk through a little bit of Crystal Bay Yacht Club. Stayed here many times. I can recommend this one and of course Crystal Bay Hotel. They both have amazing views and amazing rooms as well. It's a pool area. And of course the bungalows right on the beachfront. Just enjoy it, and we're being quiet because they're having massages. So if you are staying here on Silver Beach, There are many restaurants on the beachfront, but if you go on the main road, there's not much going on. So you do need a tuk-tuk or even a taxi or even renting a moped for the day. Heading towards Chuang Beach is only around 10-15 minutes this way, and Lamai going back another 10 to 15 minutes as well. So you're basically in the middle between each of them. All the hotels are fully packed. There's no way we're going to go through them because there's too many people in the pools around the area and it's restricted. So we're definitely not going to do that. We're going to come back in a few months and I'm going to go through the hotels that we know the owners, and they're going to show us a great tour of Crystal Bay and also Crystal Bay Yacht Club. And that's going to do it for this beautiful beach. So thank you for joining me here today on Planet Papas. We'll see you tomorrow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share it, tell your friends, tell the whole bunch. I just had a hippopotamus for lunch. Remember, you only got 2 days to change your face because the dragon is in full effect on Saturday. Take care for now and see you soon.